Hello, we're Team 4 and we research about enzymes and metabolism. We investigated how the temperature affects the enzyme activity, especially the enzyme catalase found in yeast. Catalase breaks down hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen.
For experiment, we decided to use the materials the lab gave us, such as the hydrogen peroxide, the water in cold, hot, and room temperature, the dish soap, the dry yeast, food coloring, a thermometer to measure the water's temperature, a graduated cylinder to put all the materials required, and a stirring wheel to help us mix.
For our experiment, we first graphed a graduated cylinder and placed it at the container. After we had that, we graphed our hydrogen peroxide and filled it to the 20 milliliter mark. After that, we graphed 10 drops of food coloring of our choice. After that, we graphed a tablespoon of soap and placed it into the hydrogen peroxide and food coloring mixture. Then, on a separate beaker, we placed water and made sure that the temperature was right for the round of experiments with a thermometer.
We put the yeast and recorded the time for the reactions to take place. Based on our lab report, the slow reaction to overflow was at 5.39 seconds with a temperature of 12 degrees Celsius, while the fastest reaction was at 25 degrees Celsius.
Having multiple trials, 2 trials per temperature, help us increase our reliability and erasing any margin of error on our results, making us able to have more realistic, conclusive data in order for us to base our conclusions off.
In conclusion, we can see that the enzymatic activity was really high when temperature rose from 10 to 25 degrees Celsius, but then it decreased at 40 degrees Celsius, and we can see the average time to flow was 1.7 seconds. And this is because when the temperature rose from 10 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, there was an increase in temperature, which makes the substrate and enzymes move a lot faster, creating more collisions, right? But when the temperature rose to 40, this increased the denaturation of enzymes, decreasing the enzymatic activity. So in conclusion, we can see that the enzymatic activity was highest when there was 25 degrees Celsius.